Just tell me when you're going to do it.
Yeah, it's recording right now.
You ready?
How long will it record?
For a while.
Okay.
All right. On 3, you ready?
This is Brad eating a habanero, homegrown.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
How's that feel, Brad?
I bet you.
Do you deeply regret this situation? You're about to cry.
That's really hot.
It's so hot, it's cold.
Okay, go over there. Go over there. I can smell it.
I guess I
can smell pepper.
You alright?
Here's a birdie.
Those are good ones.
Yeah, I can smell that. I can smell that.
I smell something.
He's so sad to go. What do we
Brad, you want some water or some milk or something?
Go get him some water. Go get him water.
You're right.
Why did you do it?
You're right.
I don't even understand why you did it.
You're like drooling.
Ow.
You alright, dude? You want to do it again?
Give him water. Give him water.
No, give him milk. He needs milk.
Water.
Oh.
Water, give me some.
Oh, man.
Oh, it hurts.
Just get the water.
There's water. He needs some milk.
Open it for him.
Okay, so I guess I can grow some pretty hot peppers.
Yeah, I'm assuming that was pretty hot. Hottest pepper ever, huh?
Pretty hot. Something feels like death.
Feels like death.
I don't know if he should have done it on an empty
Got
stomach.
some milk?
Yeah, he needs
milk.
He needs milk.
Milk.
Milk?
Yeah.
Got water there, Brandon. Give him
Milk is
A lot of it.
milk is better.
A lot of milk.
You alright, dude?
I'm sorry, he's clear for next month.
Hey, at least you did it. I tried to stay as still as possible, but that was really hard.
You're tougher than I am, 'cause I never would do that. I'll cook with them, but I don't want to sit there and eat raw.
Let me get a close-up on your eyes. Open up your eyes real quick, Brad.
Yeah, give me a close. Oh. You'll never have to do that again, Brad.
Get some milk?
Never again. That's it. You proved you could do it. That's good enough.
Is that much better?
I bet you're really hot.
You know, like your lips usually burn? My lips don't burn, they're numb.
I'm telling you, I can smell it whenever you ate it. It smelled like a chemical smell. Did you smell it?
Well, I think you might be. There's something I can't.
I don't know, man.
It smells like propane or something out here.
There is propane or something smell out here.
Somebody's got a propane leak down there and it's blowing this.
My whole mouth is numb.
Today is July 5th?
Yeah.
July 5th, 2008. Bradley eats his first habanero.
You gonna live, Brad? Now you ready for some brisket and baked beans?
Okay, now I'm gonna burn it.
Alright, how do we stop this? You just hit this button?
Yeah, probably is, yeah.